So we're in Downpatrick now, we're at the St Patrick Centre. This is the official start of the Lecale Way. So we're going to go from here back to Strangford, which loops back onto the Ulster Way. Just wanted to get a few more miles in. This way. This is Down Cathedral. This is where St Patrick is buried. So we're going to go visit his grave, then we're going to continue on the Lecale Way. So here it is. This is St Patrick's grave. It's hard to see with the rain, but Patrick. A wee bit about him. So we're doing some road walking in this miserable weather, but it took us a wee bit to get out of Downpatrick. The signage wasn't great. There's a bit of a detour that's not in the guide and the signs aren't very clear, but we got to see the mound and we've made it out of the town, and we're now getting to our off-road section. And this is us, completely drenched, walking along the road. But you know what? It's all the fun of it.
We're miserable, look at us.
Grass on the road, what I like to see. Walking along and seeing all the old little ruins of houses on our very, very mucky path. I think we might need a canoe for the rest of this trip. It's very wet. Need to cross this road, and that's where we're going, into this style. up here. And I thought, hey, we'll be going straight on. But it's a blink and you'll miss it sign to tell us we're actually going this way. So we're going to go up our grassy track now. But I think it would be a really nice view if it wasn't for the mist. Atmospheric. We've got a little bit of a boardwalk. Boardwalk sections. Oh, missing a section. So bits broken. So we've made it to Loch Money on a very slippy path, but we've made it. Yay! So we tried to go down this path here behind us, and we had to turn back because we were up to our legs in muck. So we are going to get picked up and we're going to go on to the next part of the walk. So,
Deep water.
oh, and the water would have been up to my thigh. So we're not going to go that way. So we're going to head on to like Audleys Castle and do the loop there. So we're at Audleys Castle right now. This is a Game of Thrones location.